My name is Mamata, lecturer in economics. I am going to teach economics for class 11 and 12. The topic we are going to discuss today is the new economic policy in 1991. Ngasi aikoina khanagadoriba topic asi the new economic policy in 1991 haibadni aikoina previous class ta khangre madudi India se 1991 da achuba economic crisis sama mayo nagre crisis singa do kari no habiso koi detail da khangnagre aduga magi origin of the crisis se karum hana tobudagi tobno my background of the crisis se masisu akoi khanagre anna India na crisis to solve tonabagi damakta International Bank for Reconstruction and Development and International Monetary Fund dagi loan se nire loan se international financial institution anishina India da $7 billion loan in a pire crisis to solve tonanaba aruga mukoina condition khara thammi kari condition no haiba matamda public sector na reserve tawriba singdo handhau aduga India na atai country single lainariba trade ta restriction thammi base masi handhawena India na masigi condition do yare aduga international financial institution ani sidagi crisis to solve tonaba $7 billion se phange phangabasi matungda India na karamba mongda economics reform toge haibado madu khanasi to make India more efficient habne and new economic policy 1991 was initiated by the Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and his then Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and a new economic policy in 1991 se 1991 the Prime Minister Oramba P.V. Narasimha Rao and Duga Magi government da Finance Minister oina Puramba Dr. Manmohan Singh Mabanishina initiated the new economic policy consisted of wide-ranging economic reforms. The thrust of the policies was towards creating a more competitive environment in the economy and removing the barriers to entry and growth of the firms. Aduna new economic policy se sai da yamna chawba ahongba ke policy mayam am lere policies na kaino tawribasi kaino habe India se ya more competitive environment ama semba aruga akoigi entry and growth of the farms leramba barriers mayam do adu lothokpa habisne aruga this set of policies can broadly be classified into two groups amagi set of policies masi broadly akoigi ani thona khaidwe number 1 the stabilization measures habni adage ani subadana the structural reform measures habise machineba adage stabilization measures masidi short term measures ni machina tawribasi akoigi balance of payment da weaknesses leribase masi correction tawani aduga yamna inflation wangna lerambado madu control the porokmani aruga magi structural reforms na magi long term measures ni machina India ki efficiency se hengadan ba adagi international competitiveness se masi hengadan ba karamba mongda India ki different segments se masdal lerba rigidities mayam se masi lokthoga haibaneba adagi the government initiated a variety of policies which fall under three heads liberalization privatization and globalization the government na policy mayam initiated tawriba policies sing se akoi head ahungi makha da khana bhai number 1 da liberalization ni number 2 da privatization ni number 3 da globalization neba arge akhwai han bada koina kaino se liberalization se masi hana khana seba then what is liberalization ko liberalization of the economy means its freedom from direct or physical control imposed by the government havne liberalization da harib se hana akoi ki government na direct or physical control torambado madu lothok ba habne duke freedom phangba habaduni aruga masida kari yauge habado adusu amukhana seba it includes the following reforms kai reforms yaure ahan bada industrial sector reforms yaure ani subada financial sector reforms yaure ahum subada fiscal reforms yaure mari subada foreign exchange reforms yaure ari manga subada trade and investment policy reforms se haiba reforms sing se masineba liberalization da laiba se adure akoi hose one by one khana seba akoi gi industrial sector reforms tawribase number 1 da reforms se a da abolition of industrial licensing havni aikona khangre madudi 1991 gi policy reform policy se masi lagtringai mamang da industry ama linkhat ke harabdi kaino de government de license lo batai are industry do linkhat laba matung da so output expand tauge bo harasu ade product diversification bu tauge harasu hanjan na license lo ba darkar le me ba sigumba procedure me am sina akoi ke growth of the farms da yam thinda leba and reform policy sidadi number 1 da akoi ke kamai tauge have the evolution of industrial licensing sine masina industry ma linkhat pa matam da license lo se masi gi darkar ta leitre adum linkhat pa yare except 5 industries latana 5 industries sing do madudi kai no hai mata number 1 liquor, number 2 the cigarette, number 3 the defense equipment, number 4 the industrial explosives, number 5 the dangerous chemicals. High river industry manga se sikhaktang the license lo se masi darkar ta re haba aragi next kaino se reform tor se contraction of public sector ni under the new industrial policy number of industries reserved for public sector was reduced from 17 to 8 akoina khange policy latringe mamang da industries category A, B, C kind khai industry category A say da industries mayamama private na toba ya handaba public khaktang na kaino toba mazda sickness public sector the sickness mayam leidana public sector industries the same problem am legra 2010-11 se sidai da de only 2 khatang da handagre industry public sector the leibe industry se kari no habanda atomic energy ne railways ne ani si khaktang da ngaire atai di loina private ta adum linkhat pase ya halle machina ani super reform niko adagi ahum super reform da the reservation of production areas sabdo machina kaino reform lagtring gi mamang da ko so hanjana jan khana graba akoi gi small scale industries na puthokadwa item se singai ne reserve torga thamba atai large scale na puthokpa yadaba khotaba kaina adumaina yamna reservation se masi thamamba adugi reservation do lothokre many goods produced by small scale industries have now been de-reserved. In many industries, the market has been allowed to determine the prices happening. And reservation se lotho ibagi maram se akoi small scale industries sing se masi yamna competitive oiba adugumba ma oina na bane haba aragi mathang da industrial sector da koi reform tawriba se number D the freedom to import capital goods and liberalization also implied freedom for the industrialists to import capital goods with a view to upgrading the technology and liberalization chilla matung de akhoi industrialists in so capital goods se pushan ba yare kaduwaino pushan ba yare se have se akhoi technology se update hona ba mapan ge no machine se masi season raga koi production se fine na ba hengana na ba aduni Rashi Todringa Mamang de Adum Kainoda quantitative restriction on import and importer quantitative restriction Mayam Leram than column than a Tobodo Aduni Adu Hojikti Masi Yakinona capital goods Masi Busan by Yare industrialist Masiki Siboxi ni Equina industrial sector reforms there Masdaida Ahong Bala is Matanga Equina Kaino Amukanase financial sector reforms masi amukhana se arage financial sector reforms the financial sector includes financial institutions such as commercial banks, investment banks, stock exchange operations, foreign exchange market masi engaine kaino se financial sector da jingeba se are koina khange madudi financial sector in India is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India na haiba financial institutions se masi regulate the way karam the amount of money that the banks can keep with themselves, the nature of lending to various sectors fixes the rate of interest never. Reserve bank na moida amount of money se kayamugam na thamba yabage kainona reserve bank na lepini kainosi adagi nature of lending se masisu various sectors isu reserve bank na direction pirini aragi kainosu interest su kadoba moina fixed tawrine interest rate su Reserve Bank of India sina aduga kainosi new economic policy se masi lakpadagide one of the major aims of the reform se kaino the role of the Reserve Bank se regulator or ambadagide facilitator oina ohen baduneba masina maram oidana kainosi financial sector mayam sina moigi decision lawjabam matamda RBI tanadrasu yare haba adagi masi da sunatana akoigi bank singna magi certain conditions kharabu fulfill torobadi magi branch hangdokpada ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ RBIꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ the reform policies led to the establishment of private sector banks in India as well as foreign investment limit in banks was raised up to around 50%, and foreign institutional investors such as merchant bankers, mutual funds and pension funds are now allowed to invest in Indian financial markets. And reform policy se lakpadagidi akoge private sector da banks mayam linkhala Indian gi oiro adagi foreign gi bu oiro adagi foreign investment limit se masi banks te invest was up to around 50% se masi yahalle adagi foreign institutional investors sam harga merchant bankers haro mutual funds haro pension funds high basing se India gi financial markets se must invest over yahalle masina Indian financial markets da akoge growth and development se masi pure eva adagi mathang da akoina khanagadaru bishina fiscal reforms se masina relate to base fiscal reforms relate to revenue and expenditure of the government and koina kaino hade fiscal reforms are the government gi revenue ne expenditure ne masigi maramda kaino khana baduni and tax reforms are the principal components of fiscal reforms. Tax reforms have say akoigi fiscal reforms ki yamna chawba adugumba component amane ado broadly taxes sing se ani thokna khaidu number 1 the direct taxes saibamga argi ani shubda indirect taxes saibamga ado the direct taxes have say karino haiba matamda direct taxes are those the burden of which cannot be shifted onto others. Direct tax di akoigi magi tax ki burden se mi atopa amada thangdokpa yadaba samna harga aina tolob charaga aina tax thibani masigi tax ki burden se mi atopa amada puhanba ya ponte ba kanamta su yabiro adugi sumathakta akoina direct tax study akoi se tax thiba matamda akoi se unconscious oi ba adugi as handak de tax thiba taine harga dugi khetang awa se akoi de fill taweba direct tax ki example ama PO harde money PO harde akoigi income tax aduga wealth tax masi example of direct tax niko adagi mathangda akoi indirect tax masi khana se indirect taxes service na karino habda indirect taxes are those the burden of which can be shifted onto others. Indirect tax ki di kaino karamba taxes no habda magi burden se amadagi amada thangdokpa yaganeba samna harbaga example pege indirect tax ki sales tax neba sales tax daida government na producer dagi sales tax se kaino khongokra aro producer na amount of the tax is mixed up with the price of the commodity aro the government na logriba tax ki amount to ado price of the commodity ga mix up torone ado producer na wholesaler da thadar ani wholesaler na amu shopkeeper da thadar ani shopkeeper na amu final consumer da sumaina magi burden se adum shift over yaganeba indirect taxes se aduna indirect tax study akoina samna harabda kaino se akoi se tax thirini kai se adu hangna conscious oide aina kaino ma sapon ma leibe hairone sapon ma leibe matamda ai se ai tax indirect tax sumain thirini ko kai se akoi kaisu conscious oide ba paisa do piraga akoi poto adum phangna madu pot ki mamal ni hadna sumaina khalle haba example of indirect tax na akoi sales tax masi machine ba adagi new economic policy se masi lakpadagi di akoigi direct tax ki chang se sum phanayam na dum tamna adum handhari sigi maram se karino habda new economic policy se masi laktringi mamangda direct tax se yam chang wang bas da mi singsna honestly tax se thibagi mahutta how to exempt tax and mana tax se kamaina exempt togudage kamai thiroi dage hana magi ways and means mayam se masi oina khanaba adna government taurise kanade aduna tax ki rate se handa halaga miyam singsna honest oina government da tax thibado maduna henna phai hadna akoigi direct tax ki akoigi kaino se income tax ki rate se masi new economic policies leida handa hanbani aragi corporation tax ta loba kai ko tax ki chang se sum tamna handare adagi di akoi indirect tax ki matang da mu khana seba indirect tax ki matang da su efforts have been made to reform the indirect taxes in order to facilitate the establishment of a common national market for goods and services. Another component of reforms in this area is simplification. recently the Parliament passed a law, Goods and Services Tax Act 2016, to simplify and introduce a unified indirect tax system in India. This law came into effect from July 2017. In the indirect tax key areas, there is reform mayam ama tauri mase yamna unified oiba adugumba tax system ama kainoda India markets daida leinanaba na 2016 da Goods and Services Tax Act abama Parliament passed away masi kadawai passed or no have matamda tax structure se akogi simplified toba aruga yam unified oiba indirect tax ama India da leinanaba aruga masigi law se kainoda July 2017 da adum effective oire adum chatnare have ko mathang da akoina reforms da khanagadori basi foreign exchange reforms se masi amu khana se the first important reform in the external sector was made in the foreign exchange market in 1991 as an immediate measure to resolve the balance of payment crisis. The rupee was devalued against foreign currencies. Aduna aikoina kaino se next foreign exchange markets the reforms of the external market reforms of the foreign exchange reforms the hambani 1991 the India ge rupees against foreign currencies the devalued tawi karigi maram gi damakta no habda akogi balance of payments masida crisis level se masi resolve tawna bani karamba mongda kamaina tawda ge haba matamda akoina rupees akogi rupees foreign currency gi against devalued tawba matamda India ge goods cheaper ogani international market sam harga hana akogi devalued tawdringa kainoge $1 siga ektalam samda akogi 70 rupees siga mane hena khallo adagi devalued toro matung dadi $1 siga 80 rupees siga mane hena khala seba adu already devalued toro matung da hana $1 na leiba phangamba pot ki chang do adudagi hena devalued toro matung da $1 na pot hana gi chang dagi hena leiba yagane haba aruna international market devalued tawduna maram oidana India gi pot chai singche am shitkane mina yam legane machine kari porakane habada inflow of foreign exchange se kaino da lakane haba India da government gi pandam se masi kaino neba machine neba ana presently exchange rate is determined by the forces of supply and demand in the international exchange market ara hojik akogi kaino se India gi exchange rate che international exchange market my forces of demand and supply se machine determine tawre sine adagi mathang da akogi se trade and investment policy reform se masi amuk khana se liberalization of trade and investment regime was initiated to increase international competitiveness of industrial production and also foreign investment and technology into the economy. Aikoina trade and investment policy da liberalization taurise karigi damakta no habda aikogi international markets da aikogi se industrial production se yang competitiveness se henganana ba adagidi kaino se foreign investment se India da am tawrakna ba adagidi aikogi technology se foreign technologies mayam se koi changa ga akoi upgrade tawna ba machine ba trade and investment policy da taurise adagidi sigi sumathakta akogi the aim was also to promote the efficiency of local industries and the adoption of modern technology ne ana masida sunatana akogi local industries singse masigi efficiency siju hengat hanba adagi local industries da so modern technology se mase adopt tawna nabne haba ro high riba si myam se achieve tawna na ba government na kari policy lokhat page habdo madu amu khana se ana the trade policy reforms aims at number 1 dismantling of quantitative restriction on imports and exports, number 2 reduction of tariff rates, number 3 removal of licensing procedures for imports ne ana high ribasing sa hambada akoina reform policy lactringe sidade akoina khange madade akoi de imports da quantitative restriction na lerame akoina mapandai poche pusalake hadi amount sibogtang pusalakadabni kana dugumba policy se masi lerame madu totally import exports da leramba quantitative kaino se restriction se masi lokthokpa adagi tariff rate se masi handaba argi import tawba matamda license loba darkar tarambado madu muthatpa sineba aduna quantitative restrictions on imports of manufactured consumer goods and agricultural products were also fully removed from April 2001. April 2001 dagi hona akoina importable or import karamba import manufactured consumer goods adagi agricultural products akoina import or matamda magi quantitative restriction che pura muthatkre karam kandagi April 2001 se masidagi adagi di export duties so akoi se lothoe machine export duties se lothopasina akoi ge kaino se India gi goods sing se kaino da international market ta my competitiveness se mashi hanganeba are ahum subada so mo import licensing was abolished except in case of hazardous and environmentally sensitive industries havne arna import tawrapadasu kamai tawge haiba matanda license lobogi darkar leitre license loboda darkar leidiba kaino se pot sing se karam bano haibda am hazardous oiba aruga environmentally sensitive oiba adugumba industries sing do adune haba aduna ngasi gidi aikoina new economic policy 1991 da koi liberalization se masigi makada karam ba mayam liberalize tawge reforms mayam tawge habse masi khana base sai gi matang se da loisala se akoi mathangi class ta amu privatization se masi amu khana se ba thank you